It's a HoneyWell Turboforce power fan. Let's take a look at it. Yep, looks good. All we gotta do is plug it in and let it rip. It's got 3 settings on it, so pretty simple, very easy to use. And we'll cook this baby up and we'll start getting it blowing. All right, so here's the HoneyWell, and you can see it rotates all the way up. So you've got a lot of rotation. Back here is the controls. Let's just go ahead and plug it in and see how she works. Okay, so it's on off right now, you see. So if I go here, there's 1. It's pretty good. Let's go to 2. Let's go to 2. Oh, nice. Let's go to 3. Whoops, I went to off. There's 3. All right, so now we're on 3. So that's pretty good. Here she is. You can see what it's doing to my hair. So that thing's working pretty good, right? Bam. All right. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you cool stuff like this. Peace out.